In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install SSL certificates using the Namecheap SSL plugin with the manual method. If you're setting up a new website, securing a domain, or just making sure your visitors see that trusted padlock in the browser, this guide will walk you through every step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy hosting and WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Namecheap account. Go to the Namecheap website and log in with the account that manages your hosting services. Once you're inside your account dashboard, you'll want to look for your hosting products. This is where Namecheap keeps all of the services connected to your domain and hosting plan. Next, go to Hosting List. You should see a list of the hosting accounts attached to your Namecheap profile. Find the hosting account where you want to install the SSL certificate. This step is important because if you have more than one website or hosting package, you need to make sure you're working on the correct one. After you find the right hosting account, click Go to cPanel. This will open your cPanel dashboard for that specific hosting account. cPanel is where you manage many of the technical settings for your website, including security tools, files, databases, and SSL options. Once you're in cPanel, look for the Namecheap SSL tool. You may need to scroll through the cPanel icons until you find it, depending on how your dashboard is organized. When you see Namecheap SSL, click it to open the SSL plugin interface. This is the tool that lets you manage and install your SSL certificate manually. If you're prompted to sign in again, go ahead and do that. Sometimes the plugin will ask you to re-authenticate for security reasons, so just follow the login prompt and continue. Once you're signed in, the plugin should show you the SSL certificates that are available for your account. Now look for the certificate marked Ready for Installation. This means the certificate has already been issued and is waiting to be installed on your domain. You want to make sure you choose the correct certificate, especially if you manage multiple domains or certificates under the same account. When you find the SSL certificate that says Ready for Installation, click Install. This begins the installation process inside the Namecheap SSL plugin. You'll usually be taken to a screen where you can choose which domain the certificate should be applied to. Select your domain from the list. Make sure the domain matches the website you want to secure. If your main domain and subdomain options are both showing, choose the one that corresponds to the SSL certificate you're installing. Taking a moment here to confirm the right domain helps you avoid installation errors and saves time later. After selecting the correct domain, click Install Certificate. At this point, the plugin will apply the SSL certificate to your hosting environment. Depending on your setup, the installation may take a little time to complete, but once it finishes, your website should be properly secured with SSL. After the installation is done, it's always a good idea to check your website in the browser and confirm that the secure padlock is showing correctly. If your site still redirects or shows a warning, give it a little time for the changes to fully propagate and then refresh the page or clear your cache if needed. And that's it. You've now installed an SSL certificate using the Namecheap SSL plugin with the manual method. This is a straightforward way to secure your website and make sure your visitors see a trusted HTTPS connection. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, web hosting guides, and beginner-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.